Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video we're going to show you the 3 different ways to use a slide compound miter saw. Now, a slide compound miter saw is a super versatile tool. It can do angle cuts, it can do compound miter cuts, as well as a slide saw, meaning that you can cut larger material. Now, for the angle cuts, it's as simple as placing the wood onto the deck of the tool, setting it to the angle that you want to cut it, and then engaging the saw to cut through the wood. Now, a compound miter cut is a cut that you actually cut at regular angle, but then also the compound, which is a double angle cut. Now, this is something you would use if you were putting in crown molding or even some base trim, depending on the trim that you're using. It's a very useful part of this tool that can make quick work of trim work. Now, the slide portion of the saw, that allows you to cut larger material. It basically turns the saw into a radial arm saw, so you can use larger material on the deck of the saw to make clean cuts every single time. Coming up next, 3 ways to use a jigsaw.